Let's see what happens here.
The toll is exponential. The dolphins are so effective at hurting the fish that every other predator is also more successful.
Hmm. Birds of fear.
As the fish are driven to the surface, gannets get easy access.
Driven to the surface, huh? Them dolphins cold. They ain't gonna let them go to the bottom. Out of sight, out of mind. Keep you here on the plateau where it matter. Yes, sir. Serve that ass on up. Damn. Damn. Them things ain't playing with the game. Damn. Well, they ain't playing with the game. Damn.
Dark fledglings now hunt like experts.
I know they is. That water beautiful and vicious. Unrelenting, unforgiving, and what else the seaman's called it? Restless. It never stopped.
Sharks follow and wait for the perfect moment to cash in on the tight balls.
Shark,
They
sharp.
pick off the edges at first, then they plow in.
Pick off the edge. Everybody got a strategy so that he get food. Cream of the crop.